Welcome back to ELH4X4 Doing Stuff. Today this is the arts and crafts of the automotive industry. We got our cardboard cut out from the template. We have to glue that into the upper portion of the foam, get the front driver's seat out. But I just want you guys to check this out. So it's like 6 o'clock in the morning. These clouds are moving this way, and the clouds over here are moving this way. All right, we got stuff moving this way, and then stuff going this way. So we kind of got like something set up for a rotation. Anyway, we're going to drive on. So I got to get that front seat pulled out, and we'll get right back to it. So I had to go back and look at the footage, and I did in fact put this frame in incorrectly. So I got to take it, spin it 180 from the lumbar support, and reattach it. So it didn't make sense to me. Like, why would you have it clipped on from the back if you're pushing against it, right? You know what I mean? So to me, it just seemed like you would be able to push it out while you were sitting in it. All right, let's see if we can mess that up again. That makes a little bit more sense to me. All right, anyway, we got the bottom seat cushion frame out. We just launch the clip into the atmosphere, but I have a general area of where it fell. This looks like it's bent up this way, so it, yeah, that I knew it was kind of off. It didn't want to stop on. There's this little part that sticks out, and there's certain words I can't say because my GoPro will do things. But we'll get that bent back, get the seat belt off, 18 mil, get the headrest out. Anyway, I'm going to go try to find that clip. All right, we found it. So let's put that off somewhere where we can lose it again. What else we got? We got the headrest. There we go. We have to take these off to get the cardboard on. What else? Seat belt. I'm going to get my work area kind of organized. So it's going to be a good time to wipe everything down. I'm going to wipe the frame down with some acetone, because I got to glue the cushion to the frame. So I just noticed something, that this upper support isn't where it's supposed to be, that it's actually broke out. And I didn't realize it when I was fixing it the first time. So I'm going to get a well, I'll show you what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to weld it after I put a nice coating of acetone on it. I thought I was just gonna... There we go. Alright, I'm gonna tack that up. Alright, so we got everything all tacked up. That should hold. Let that cool off a little bit. Then we can move our attention onto the foam, prepping the foam. and gluing the cardboard to the back. GoPro, stop recording. All right, so we got our foam mocked up. And what I'm going to try to do now is assemble the cardboard. Right, I still got to put some holes in certain areas. And then fold and stuff like that. And you'll see. All right, so I thought I was on time lapse, and it wasn't, but I got the cardboard assembled into the configuration that it needs to be in. So now what we can do is all right, I still have to glue the foam in. Obviously. All right, that's what I'm going to do. And then I want to go get some more tape. I'll be able to form the foam to the cardboard while the glue sets up. Okay. All right, so we're just going to let this stuff set up. Looks okay. I don't know if it's going to work or whatever. But a couple of things that we can do while we're watching glue dry. Just put the clip in. GoPro, stop recording. Or not. You know, we can give the clip a little squeeze. Oh, that's not it. All right, I'm going to do this off camera because I'm trying not to get in your way, but I can't see what I'm doing. All right, we got a clip and band installed. Glue should be nice and tacked up. And it feels pretty good. This is keyed. So you're only going to be able to put it in one way. Okay. There we go. Make sure it's seated. This thing's ready to be upholstered. So thanks for watching ELH 4x4 doing the arts and crafts of the automotive industry. See you at the next one.